Hello friends, hope so all of doing well. This is Develop Solution channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect. Problem on Windows 11. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new to this channel. So to fix this problem on Windows 11, simply first of all you just need to open start menu and then go to services option and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem.